Hello, guys, and welcome to this new video. And in this video, I've invited one of my friends who's a developer. But what is interesting about him is that he has a particular path. This guy actually is a French-speaking person, and today working in a completely English-speaking company. And this guy has no IT background. He has no engineering background. And today I can consider him as a full software engineer because having worked with him and having seen what he was able to produce and discussing engineering concept with him, I think we can consider this guy as a full software engineer because he's now a full stack developer working in a company here in Douala called GPS. So I invited this guy today so that he can share his experience with other people still wondering, still not sure if they need a software engineering background to be a software engineer. So I think during this video, all your questions regarding that will be answered. So he's called Ivan Deme. So Ivan, welcome, and it's a pleasure for me to have you today. So I will start by no, let's start by let's present yourself. For example, tell who are you? Tell us a bit of your academic background or professional background or professional path.
Uh, okay. Hello. Thank you. Thank you, Nathan. It's a really pleasure for me to be there today. So my name is Ndeme Ivan. I live in Douala, in Cameroon. I'm a full stack mobile developer. Um, my backend side is more with Node.js. Now we talk about Express and Next.js, and my mobile side is more about mobile natively and Flutter. Yes.
Okay.
And regarding my school is after the college, I do 2 years at the university as student in telecommunication and networking.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Good. I just want to precise that Ivan is not a native English speaker, so you can excuse him with quality of English. But I also want to tell him that no, you can feel free to speak in French in case you find yourself blocked when trying to say something in English. So as you
Yeah.
can see, the guy has a background, academic background in networking and telecoms, and today is working as a software engineer. And I know we're in a country where most of the people are French speaking. English is still like the minor language, uh,
Mm.
and usually in our schools we don't speak English. We speak mostly.
Really in English.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
I know you went to a
Yeah.
French speaking school, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
this French
So
is really, the English is really minor.
yeah, I
So
guess
it's
so.
not, for me, it's not really good. Not
I
really good
see.
because
I see.
data it's a big deal, but it's not easy.
I know English is usually a challenge for those
Yes,
who
yes.
is French speaking and trying to get into IT because we all know that IT is mostly the content in IT
In
is
English.
mostly in English. So that
Hmm.
was it. But so tell us what motivated you to do a training. I know you went after university, you went to Seven Advanced Academy to do a training in software development, specifically in mobile development, right? So what motivated you
Yes.
to go and do this training? What was the click that brought you to do that?
Mm, let's say what bring me to do computer science is already the curiosity.
Okay.
Already already in college, I was no bad in computer science, and I want to continue which is later at the university, but
Okay.
unfortunately, with the family pressure,
Okay.
I tried to do networking and telecommunication, but it, um, let's say it's just the curiosity.
Okay.
Yes,
By
the
curiosity.
love of things and curiosity, because I think the most important um, quality of
Yes.
a developer is the curiosity. Because if you are
Yes.
not a curious developer, you can go far in this work. So
Yes. That's true. That's true. As a developer,
that
yes,
first.
be curious. You need to try things out.
Yeah.
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
That's true. So you went in by curiosity. Okay. Okay. But what specifically made you to focus mostly on mobile development?
Mm, ready to be true again. I wanted to know how things work, and personally, I think that the mobile development offer more possibility than the
Okay.
web development. Yes.
Okay.
So I do the web development as well, like Navstack, Mongo,
Okay.
Express, Vue.js, and Node.
Okay.
But I don't want to disperse myself, so I focus on mobile development,
Okay.
which Kotlin and Flutter.
Okay, interesting, interesting, interesting. So, having I know a bit about Seven Advanced Academy, this institution here in Douala training, trying to train professional skills, mostly IT skills, so people interested. But
Yeah,
I know that the lessons there are mostly at least 90% in English. So
yeah.
what were your challenges? Because you coming from a French background, speaking mostly French, and just found yourself in an English program. So how did you overcome that?
Mm, mm, what you say is true. Ce que tu dis est vrai. C'est vrai qu'au départ, c'était little bit complicated.
Okay, okay,
But we as GPS, we had a really good teacher,
okay,
like Akalari
okay.
was my mobile development teacher. And when you have an instructor like this, it's become really less stressful.
Yeah,
Façon de dire ça comme
yeah,
ça. Ça
yeah.
devient moins stressant de devoir
Okay,
apprendre parce que the instructor is free and that is it. The language for me at the first time is not really a challenge,
okay,
but because
okay.
I think
Good.
if you are determined,
Okay.
if you are a determined person, when you want to do something, you find
Yes,
a way to do it. Yes,
yes.
the language
Okay,
cannot be an excuse because if you
okay,
want to do something, you find a solution. If you don't want, you find an
okay.
excuse. So,
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's true. The determination was a key aspect in this. Okay, you put
mhm.
in much effort in order not for the language to be a barrier for you. The
Yes,
okay,
yes.
okay. So I think when we first met,
Mm.
yes, when we first met, I knew that when we first met, you had not done more than a year in Seven Advantage. You've not done more than a year in your training. Um,
Mm.
and I was already amazed by the quality of the work you could produce. So what make you to Aris, what was your technique in order to demarcate yourself from the others?
Ah, okay. Let me say answer this question in French
Yeah,
because
yeah, feel free,
I
feel
have to
free. You can
speak a
speak in
lot.
French, no problem.
Déjà, je pense que il faut d'abord être
Yes,
d'abord.
yes,
Moi, c'est de l'humilité. Il faut
okay,
accepter d'abord que tu ne connais pas. Même si tu connais, accepte que tu ne connais pas. Parce que même si on t'explique quelque chose encore d'une autre façon, tu vas apprendre. Tu
okay,
vas apprendre quelque chose, en fait. Je me souviens quand on devait travailler, on avait travaillé sur un projet et j'ai appris beaucoup. Et tiens-toi tranquille que c'est peut-être l'année passée que j'ai compris certaines choses même qu'on avait fait, que tu avais implémenté sur le projet, que je dis, ah, j'avais vu ça chez Nathan et si je n'avais pas vu ça chez toi, si je n'avais pas eu l'humilité d'écouter, de regarder, en fait, ça allait être la catastrophe, à ce moment venu, là.
okay,
Donc, il y a d'abord ça, l'humilité. Il y
okay,
a aussi la façon de chercher, parce que un développeur, en fait, que tu sois full stack, que tu sois senior avec même 10 ans, c'est vrai que oui, le senior qui a plus d'années, il a certains automatismes, il connaît déjà résoudre certains problèmes, mais il connaît chercher, en fait. If you do
Okay, yeah,
certain
that's
things.
true. C'est vrai.
Yes. Okay.
C'est vrai.
So you must know how to make research.
Research, yeah.
If I can say
Yes,
research, voilà. Tu dois savoir comment on fait les recherches d'abord, parce qu'on ne cherche pas n'importe comment et n'importe où.
exactement.
Il y a d'abord ça. Et il faut, quand tu connais, comment je vais dire ça, when you know basics of some things, after that, if you are smart, you must go and share best practices.
Yes,
Hmm?
yes,
Oui, les best practices, c'est ça qui
yes.
différencie un développeur lambda d'un développeur expérimenté en fait.
Exactement.
Parce que si on prend par exemple le cas du mobile sur lequel je travaille, si on prend par exemple, if you take the example of simple app, hein, let's take another developer who make app like a breakfast command.
Okay.
Okay, it's easy. We can code it with single activity and use intent to navigate between screen. But it's okay. It's work. But when you and Nathan did the same thing, you are going to use Jetpack, MDVM, best practices, Room, things
Yes,
like that.
yes.
That is the thing who make difference between two developers.
Okay,
Donc c'est un peu
okay,
ça que j'essaie de dire en fait. Il y a d'abord ça. Donc quand
yeah.
tu es un, tu apprends des autres, tu connais faire tes recherches. Quand tu connais maintenant comment la technologie fonctionne d'abord dans son ensemble, maintenant tu cherches les bonnes approches, les bonnes implémentations de la chose en fait.
Okay.
Ok, je connais que pour quitter d'un écran A à un écran B, en utilisant un intent, apporte ça d'activité. Ok, d'accord. Quelle est la bonne approche qui est utilisée pour pouvoir faire ça en fait?
Okay,
Il y a ça.
okay,
Et la dernière chose, c'est juste de toujours chercher et d'appliquer.
okay, 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 okay.
Moi, ce sont
Donc, je comprends. Donc, déjà, les points que je note ici, là, c'est que déjà, l'humilité de un, savoir que tu ne connais
Mhm.
pas, et te rapprocher de ceux
Oui,
qui connaissent et apprendre
oui,
à fond à demander assez de questions d'eux et savoir comment faire les recherches.
oui,
Et en troisièmement, maintenant, quelles sont les meilleures pratiques à utiliser, les pratiques conseillées par les grandes organisations comme Google et d'autres.
oui,
OK, je vois, je vois.
mhm.
Interesting, interesting. So if I want to say the same thing in English, the guy is saying, that is be humble. That is be humble. Try to be close to people who know, experienced people, get them as your mentor and ask them a lot of questions as you can. And yes,
Mhm.
it's needless to pretend to know, whereas you don't know. It's better to lower yourself down and get these people to train you. That'll be good. And secondly, best practices. Get to know the best practices in your domain. Whatever you're doing, it's true that you can do something your way. It's working, but is it the best way to do it? Is your way scalable? You know, is it easy to maintain? So what are the best practices? And thirdly, always know how to research, know how to do your research in order to be up to date with what is happening. Ça, c'est très bien. Intéressant.
Yes. Mhm.
Intéressant. OK.
Et tu vois, aujourd'hui, comme toi à l'époque, tu te rappelles, tu as tenu ma main. De ta judo aussi, j'ai aussi des gars avec qui je dois travailler, avec qui je dois montrer, en fait, que non, on fait pas comme ça, on fait comme ça, par rapport à ma petite expérience, que c'est en fait ça, en fait. Et même quand tu es déjà à ce niveau, ne te prends pas la tête, ne pense pas que tu es déjà arrivé, parce que
C'est
c'est
vrai.
là-bas toujours. Voilà.
C'est
Et
vrai. On apprend tous
il
les
faut
jours.
connaître aussi montrer. Parce que if you are if you are a good developer, if you are a Google engineer
Yes.
and you don't have the possibility to share the knowledge, to transmit it to another person, you are nothing for me. You are nothing. You are zero. So that is, yes. That's true. Because when you teach something to someone and you see this person, you see the shine
Yeah.
in his eyes.
It's ice. Yeah.
What can I say this
You're kind of proud, right?
yes, you are proud of it.
Yeah.
Yes, that is it. I can say it like that.
Yeah. I see. I see.
Yes,
I
it's a
see.
bit that.
I see. Yes, and this is one of the problem we have mostly in our community because there's little or no sharing of content or training the others. Yes, is
Mhm.
yeah, we still lack that the possibility to transmit or to train. We mostly rely on foreigners or content coming from elsewhere in order to train ourselves. We're not saying it's a bad thing, but if we could have sessions locally where we train ourselves, we train the junior, and we share information, we share content, that would be really interesting and it will boost kind of our community. Now, coming to our community, how do you see this IT community today? Do you think we're on the
Mm,
good path? What do you think
maybe,
we
maybe.
can do, or what do you think we're not doing?
Let's take the Flutter community, yes, of Cameroon. I think it's evolved anyway. There are conferences that are fun. For example, I think there will be a conference in the Flutter community in Douala on 25 to 26 February of 2022.
Okay, interesting.
So, so is it necessary that the spirit of mutual hate wins order everything? So, je vais dire ça en français plus simplement. Je
Okay,
pense que ce serait mieux, en fait, que l'esprit de solidarité règne toujours, en fait. Parce que quand je
okay,
regarde la communauté flotte du Cameroun, parce que je voulais faire la communauté flotteur à un moment, je ne savais pas, en fait, qu'il y avait déjà la communauté flotteur qui existait déjà. Et, en fait, dans les recherches, je suis tombé dans le groupe. Et c'est un peu ça, en fait, dans l'esprit d'aide, l'esprit d'entraide, l'esprit de toujours vouloir apprendre. Et vraiment, il faut chasser cet esprit de je suis, I am, I can, I do this, I does that. So I don't like this spirit. I don't like it.
okay,
So I
okay,
prefer we can do that. We can evolve
okay,
together. We can, yes,
okay,
better than I. So that is it for me. The
okay.
community is on the good way, but we have a lot of work to do
Yeah, there's still much
in
to
the
do.
future.
There's still much to do.
Yes.
There's still
Mm-hmm.
much to do. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. That is true. Because I've also seen being having been around for a while, I've also seen that this the kind of people are people are trying to organize local events.
Mm-hmm.
It's true that the participation is still very low, but I think that's already a good thing to have this event. For me, it's also serves like an inspiration for the genius coming behind,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe they find like a platform or an environment where they can ask your questions, you can ask their questions to the seniors, and it's also a way for people to meet, share, and maybe develop more ideas that can help the community move forward.
Yes.
Yeah, this
Yes,
is
very
true.
interesting.
There's still much to do. There's still much to do. Let's
Mm-hmm.
hope we would collaborate more and try
Mm-hmm.
to do good things. Yes, yes, yes.
I can say I had I'm a lucky guy. I'm a lucky guy
Okay.
because
In what sense?
why I'm going to say that this because I, I I have a mentor, Larry,
Yes,
huh?
yes.
And GPS is this kind of environment what you talk about, you see. And I found friends like you who helped me.
Okay,
So yes, that is the way. Go like that. So,
okay.
I'm a lucky guy. I can say, but it's not the for the majority of the guy. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's really
Yes,
difficult. Mainly in the francophone part,
yes, yes.
yes, because the anglophone side, I think Goya, it's okay. I think it's okay on this side with the
Okay.
community, but in the francophone side, it's it's a little bit like, I don't know. I don't know if you see what I try to say. So,
Yeah. There's so much to be done. That's even the essence why I'm trying to do this video in order to, because for me your path or your journey is really particular in the sense that you in a very short while you were able to be productive. You know, yeah. For me, your path was really interesting, and I think that if you can share your experience or share how you got to where you are, it can inspire more people, and it can remove because many people are actually blocked in their head, just in their head, thinking that they have um, false impression of things and they don't find the way or the possibility to ask questions to the right people in order to get the right information. So
yes.
that yes, especially in the people in the French speaking side, that's true. In the English zones of Cameroon, yeah, I think things are more a bit much more evolved, and the community there is more. We have a stronger community, and which is really based on sharing. We have events all the time. I think there things goes a bit easier. So actually, one question: what can you let's say what can you advise to the juniors that want to be like you? Maybe what will you advise them? Coming from a French, people for coming from a French zone where they don't speak English and they know nothing about IT, and they want to, but they are maybe having watched some information on the internet on YouTube. They really want to get into this and do something great. So what can you advise them? Maybe based on your experience, based on the challenges you have, what can you advise them so that they should have less challenges and maybe more productive in a shorter period of time?
Okay. What can I say is just first, don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
Yes,
Okay.
first, don't
Okay.
be afraid.
Okay.
It's not really a matter. It's not. I'm not going to say bullshit on your channel, but
Okay.
coding is hard. It's really hard.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like the beginning of
Come,
everything, for me, it's not like coding as it's just hard, but the beginning of everything is difficult, of course.
really, even now, because let's take an example. Okay, I'm a mobile developer, but last time we had a project which another company, another,
Okay,
you see
client.
but the the level who this guy who the other developer,
Yes.
uh, you directly on your mind, you know that you should be at this level automatically, huh?
Yes.
And it's difficult. It's really difficult. Maybe if you have 10 days, 10 years on coding, no, it's difficult because you have to find solution every day, every
Yes.
time.
Yes. That's an
Yes,
engineer, man.
yes. Donc même si il y a pas moyen de dire que c'est pas ça. C'est difficile tous les jours parce que chaque jour quand je me lève, je me dis toujours que ah, what kind of problem I'm going to resolve this morning. C'est comme
Okay.
ça.
Okay.
Voilà,
Okay.
donc il y a d'abord qui n'ait pas peur, que les
Okay.
développeurs
Okay.
veulent venir,
Yeah. Okay.
qui sont dans mon background, n'aient pas peur. De un, que je prends vraiment mon cas, hein, que la pression familiale ne soit pas un frein. Oui, parce que imagine-toi en fait, people in the francophone side, people who just have 2 years at at the university. Huh? I
Yeah.
don't have my license. I I just say I don't like this thing. I'm going to shut it down. I don't want to continue again.
Okay.
Donc ça ne m'intéresse pas. Parce que tu vois, do you imagine, can you imagine? Go and see your father and say, Daddy, I don't want to continue. Hein? Ton père peut devenir fou. Que moi, je vais arrêter l'école. I want to stop the school. I don't want to go again.
Yeah.
Because I want to do
You want to change?
programmation. And
Yeah.
yes, and in the mind of our parents, it's just like a movie.
Yes,
when you
yes.
see a hacker.
Yes. I think our
And
parents here need to be more educated about it. Yeah, go on.
about it, yes, first. Donc, que ça ne soit pas un frein, vraiment. Si, je pense que il faut do what your head sees and what you like,
Okay.
en fait. Donc, j'ai arrêté parce que je me suis dit, ah, je ne veux pas parler ici peut-être de tout l'environnement familial, des pressions que
Question familiale que tu
j'ai
as eue.
eues à cette époque. Même l'école, peut-être c'était compliqué à payer et tout et tout et tout. Et tu te dis, ah, Seigneur, si je décide de continuer peut-être avec une licence et que peut-être les 700 000, je dirais même que ça a été très très compliqué. Imaginons peut-être, ton parent il a peut-être 500 000 à peut-être encore t'aider. Hein, il te dit que bon, comme tu vois là, c'est ta dernière année, ce que je peux faire, c'est peut-être même 300 000 même. Et imagine-toi que tu vas aller prendre ces 300 000, bien 500 000, ou bien whatever the price, the amount, et partir mettre ça dans une licence que au final tu vas sortir et soyons honnêtes, hein, tu
Oui,
connais rien,
tu connais
tu
rien.
connais rien, tu connais rien. Parce que je prends par exemple les 2 ans que je suis sorti, qu'est-ce que on nous a réellement appris? C'est la raison pour laquelle quand je me suis présenté, il n'est pas donné le nom de l'école parce qu'il y a certaines vérités qui avaient dit ici. Donc, tu regardes, tu as fait 2 ans, mais au final, moi, je peux dire que 80% de la salle de classe il n'était pas opérationnel. Ça, c'est mon avis, bien sûr. Parce que en deuxième année, on a fini. Qu'est-ce qu'on savait faire réellement? À part faire les câbles. Donc, tu prends les câbles, tu fais comme ça, tu branches des machines. Voilà ce qu'on a appris réellement. Ça, on peut dire que sur le terrain en 2 ans. À l'école, à l'université. Bon, on va te dire que oui, c'est vrai, à l'université, tu dois peut-être chercher aussi, c'est le temple du savoir. En fait, tout le monde doit. C'est vrai. Je ne dis pas que c'est faux. Hein?
Ok,
Mais
ok.
si c'est ça, en fait, ça ne sert à rien d'aller faire une école professionnelle.
Exactement.
Va à l'université de Douala, là-bas, tu vas être tranquille. Tu vois, là-bas, tu vas chercher, tu vas dépenser moins que d'aller payer en 350, 400 000. Et après, tes parents savent que non, tu es à l'école, tu es une école professionnelle,
Donc, tu es
le
formé.
jour de la soutenance, oui, le jour de la soutenance, on fait le bruit, ouais, Touré, Nathan, ouais, mon ingénieur, mais au final, dans la tête, in your brain, you know you are nothing, you are zéro, tu connais rien, et c'est un fait, en fait, et ça, c'est un truc qu'il faut avoir en tête. For me, Nathan, when a person, a woman and men, when you arrive at a certain age, like 22 years old, you have the mission to give an answer to one question.
Yes.
Hmm?
She's.
And this question is, what can I do?
Okay. Okay.
What can I do?
Okay.
Qu'est-ce que je sais faire?
Okay.
Qu'est-ce que je peux faire pour que quand je me présente, j'ai de la valeur? Qu'est-ce que je peux
Okay.
apporter comme service pour que quelqu'un me...
Pour que quelqu'un puisse te payer pour ça.
Voilà, en fait, c'est en fait ça. Et crois-moi, honnêtement, hein, j'ai fait la fac. Je ne me suis pas arrêté au bac. Je ne me suis pas arrêté peut-être au secondaire. Non, j'ai fait la fac. Et je te dis que 70% des étudiants ne peuvent pas répondre à cette question. Et déjà que nous sommes, comme je dis, nous ne nous voilons pas. C'est peut-être pour ça que tu m'as invité ici. Parce que déjà même le contexte éducationnel, so, des schools, des manuals, des courses, it's not, um, it's not at the same level with the reality of the market, the world market.
Yes,
It's
that's
not the
true.
same thing.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that is it. And for one example to conclude about this, if you take a comment on peut dire ça en anglais? Bon, bref, quand tu prends peut-être une filière comme histoire à la fac, hein, ok, tu pas fait histoire, d'accord, tu finis, première année, deuxième année, tu prends ta licence, et tout, et tout, et tout, et tout. Tu finis peut-être au master, au doctorat, je sais pas trop. Moi, à ma connaissance, à mon niveau intellectuel, c'est ce que je connais. Je peux me tromper. Si je me trompe, pardon, il faut me corriger
D'accord. Mhm.
dans les commentaires. Je sais qu'avec avec un niveau, avec un parcours comme ça, soit tu vas être professeur à l'université en histoire, soit tu vas faire l'école normale, soit je ne sais pas. Donc, je pense qu'il y a même des filières qui nous bloquent
Oui,
automatiquement.
oui, ça
Donc,
c'est
il y a
vrai.
des filières que quand tu vas faire et après tu as peut-être tapé 6 ans, you take 6 years of your life to do things who are not going to give you anything.
Yes,
You can be mad.
yes, 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 yes,
Ça peut être au fond. Et la famille qui a investi,
yes,
tu te rends compte?
yes, yes,
Donc, il y a
yes.
ça. Donc, il y a vraiment, j'ai beaucoup un peu développé cette affaire-là. Donc, n'ayez pas peur. Faites le bon choix. Ce n'est pas seulement même la programmation, hein. Il
Oui,
faut
oui,
faire
c'est
le
pas seulement
bon
la
choix.
programmation, oui. Mhm.
Oui, il faut faire vraiment le bon choix et faites
C'est pour
quelque
ça que je
chose que vous
dis,
aimez.
pour ne pas te couper, c'est pour ça que je suis en train de dire aux gens que l'orientation est très, très, très importante. Après le bac, tu vois, beaucoup de nous tombons dans des choses que on passe quelque part, on perd 2 à 3 ans de notre vie, souvent même plus, parce que faute d'orientation, on peut faire les choses par suivisme. Et en fin de
Voilà.
compte, on finit, on sort, on a une licence, on a un master qui ne nous sert à rien
Ah, rien.
compte tenu de notre contexte, tu vois, qui ne sert que
Voilà.
dans notre contexte particulier, ne peut pas nous apporter grand chose. On se retrouve, après avoir fait ça, de faire une formation encore de 2, 3 ans. C'est-à-dire, là, maintenant, on est déjà un peu conscient. On peut maintenant faire quelque chose qui peut être serviable dans notre environnement ou alors qu'on croit être plus vendable. Là, maintenant, on peut faire maintenant une formation dans ça. Mais au préalable, on aura déjà perdu du temps et d'argent.
Voilà. Et 3 ans encore, ça fait 5 ans.
Donc,
Imagine pas. C'est
c'est un
beaucoup.
peu, c'est un peu ça. Oui, oui, le point concernant ça, c'est important parce que tu sais, aussi, c'est pas facile. Par exemple, tu t'es inscrit pour faire peut-être un programme. Je n'ai rien contre les lettres, hein. Moi, tu t'es inscrit, par exemple, tu fais un programme comme les lettres et après, 2 ans après, tu te retrouves que non, le choix, si je n'ai pas fait le bon choix. Mais est-ce que maintenant, après la deuxième année, faire la deuxième année, tu as le courage d'aller voir ton parent et lui dire que comme tu vois là, je me suis trompé, ce que je suis en train de faire, ça ne peut pas m'apporter grand-chose. Je veux plutôt
Voilà.
stopper et recommencer. Dans notre contexte, disons, camerounais ou africain en général, ce parent ne va pas comprendre ça comme ça. Il va comprendre
Je peux
que
pas comprendre ça.
tu as quelque chose, un déclic dans la tête qui ne va pas et il peut te faire certaines choses que donc, beaucoup de personnes, pour éviter ce genre de choses, pour faire juste shut it down, prendre les frustrations meurt,
Et
finit le
continuez.
programme, après dire à son père que, comme tu vois, là, il finit, mais il n'y a pas de travail. Le père comprend que oui, c'est vrai, il a fini, mais il n'y a pas de travail. Mais pourtant, ça ne servait à rien. Et lui, il sait bien que il pouvait juste arrêter ça à mi-chemin et aller faire. Mais suite à la pression de la famille, suite à la pression de ses parents,
Voilà.
il est obligé de faire quelque chose de bon, qui sait que ça ne va pas lui
Voilà.
apporter
Voilà.
grand-chose.
Tu m'as complètement compris.
Je comprends.
Tu m'as
Oui, oui, je
complètement
comprends
compris.
parce que
Et ce piège-là,
j'ai vu les gens qui ont ce même cas. Ce n'était pas le cas pour moi,
ce
mais
piège qu'il faut
j'ai
éviter.
rencontré les gens qui ont ce même cas.
Voilà. Donc, c'est ça. C'est ça. Il faut éviter ça. Il faut éviter au maximum. Parce que ton parent, c'est vrai. Le parent ne va jamais vouloir le mal de son enfant. Ça, c'est un fait. Tout parent veut vraiment que son enfant soit plus que lui. Ça, c'est un peu le but d'un parent sur cette thèse. Moi, à mon avis, je ne sais pas s'il y a des parents vraiment bizarres, mais c'est ce que je connais. Et il va toujours vouloir t'orienter sur un truc qui, dans son logiciel, donne.
OK.
Mais toi, maintenant, qui sort chaque matin, lui, il travaille déjà, il a fait sa vie, en fait. Il n'est plus à ce niveau. Toi, l'enfant qui sort et qui regarde, il faut que tu sois déjà assez conscient pour voir, en fait, ce qui tu aimes et que tu ne
Ah
vas
ouais,
pas regretter, en fait. Voilà.
ah ouais,
Moi, je peux pas
ah ouais.
dire, moi, je dis tout ça, je ne peux pas dire que
That's true.
je travaille à un niveau, non. Je fais ce que j'aime, gars. Je sais pas. Tu vois un peu, je passe mon temps à lire les trucs, je passe mon temps à lire les trucs, je passe mon temps à lire les trucs. Tous les jours, j'apprends. Est-ce que quand tu fais un truc que tu aimes comme ça, est-ce que tu peux dire que tu vas t'ennuyer un jour?
No,
C'est pas possible.
no.
C'est un peu ça.
Ah, well,
Les
yeah, it's
technologies sont tous
really,
les jours.
yes. Most people don't do what they like.
Yes.
and the work become frustrating because you get up in the morning, going to do something you wish not to do, but
Voilà.
you have to pay the
Because you
bills.
want just salary.
Yes, you have to pay the bills. That's the reality about it. You have to pay the bills. Yeah. That's a good point. That's a good point. That's a good point.
Yes. And the last point is just the humility, because if you are humble, everything go forward. But when I say humility, I don't say you are going to accept everything, every
Yes.
person who try comment tu écraser en anglais, je sais pas. En fait, tu dois être humble, mais tu ne dois pas accepter n'importe quoi aussi.
Yes. You should be humble, not but not accept everything. Yeah.
Yes.
When something is not good, it's
That
not
is it.
good with you. You have to say it out that no, this thing doesn't work.
I don't like it.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That is okay. What I can add also to the point you said is after the humility, you should be able to work hard and never stop learning. Never stop learning. Never put in your head that you are already at a level where you think you know. No, never stop learning. Never stop learning. Yeah.
Yes.
Always be informed of what is going on in your industry or in your environment.
Non, j'ai appris ça à mes dépens. Quand
Yeah.
I had a period where I'm only focused on Flutter. Today I have a good level at Flutter, in Flutter development.
Yeah.
But I forget about native development because I did native development with Java. But now
Yeah.
I use Kotlin.
Colin. Yeah.
And when this project arrived, Nathan, the the
You had to go and
the
learn
feature,
again.
the implementation inside it,
You were a bit confused because it's been a while you've not
yes,
done native development and you
yes,
were
yes,
mostly focused in Flutter and you had to go
yes,
and kind of do a quick revision about the
yes, yes,
architecture, the new libraries, the jetpacks,
yes.
Yeah, I get it.
That's it.
Yes, usually it's not easy. It's not easy to have a mastery of several languages at the same time. Usually, it's the project you do that gives you the possibility to master certain things. Yes,
Yes.
yeah. The project you do, maybe also the experience. If you work maybe on two, three projects with different technologies, yeah, it can happen. Anyway, even if, for example, me, I did Flutter for a while. I did native also for long, but right now I'm not doing much Flutter. But I always go to YouTube when there's a new thing. I'll just watch the video of, oh, there's a new component in Flutter that does this. I'm just aware that this can be done, even though I don't do it. Because due to the time
Yes,
and
yes,
many things, many other um commitment I have. So, but it's just for me. I
yes,
think it's just good to be aware of what is happening. You know, maybe at the right time,
yes, very,
maybe
very
you have the
informative.
opportunity to have hands-on experience on it. Interesting. So, having said that, I think those people watching, person watching right now, I think have get something out of it. And I also invite these people to, in case you have any questions, the guy can leave the question in the comment section. Either if Ivan doesn't find time to answer it, I will get this question and channel it and send it to him. If he gives me the answer, then I'll put it. Or I can invite him to just come to the channel and answer to the question. I think that'll be
Yes,
good.
why not? Why not?
Yes, that'll be good. And tell me, what are your future plans? I know some plans are really personal, of course, we understand, but how do you see, what are your future, what are your new technologies you wish to learn? So, as you may have noticed, we had internet issues, Don't forget we are in Cameroon and internet penetration is still an issue and we can have it. It's not strange for us to have this kind of situation where
Yes, yes, yes.
internet is gone. It's possible. It's possible. So as I was saying before we got switch off by internet, I was asking what are your future plans? What are the technologies you're looking forward to learn? And regarding software engineering, what are your plan professionally and technology professionally? Something you want to share?
Okay. For me, really, to be true, I want to get at a different level.
Okay.
One more step.
Okay.
For me, and this is just my
Beginning.
answer, my opinion,
Okay.
is
Opinion. Okay.
is the is that the future of developments on the cloud. Everything is on the
Cloud.
cloud.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So mainly, uh, this last day, I mainly learn about cloud, about AWS services, how it's work. Get a certification on this and that. Why not? So it's really important to look at it because this technology are going to help you in your main actual job or in the future.
Okay.
And look about things like cloud developer or DevOps. Like learn about things like technology like Docker, how
Okay.
Docker work,
Okay.
how Kubernetes work on the cloud, how to make what do you call it in English? Je plus le terme en anglais. C'est un orchestrateur en fait.
Yeah. Orchestration.
Ouais. And it will do an orchestration on server, how to manage server, how to write an infrastructure for application. You are
Yes.
not going to be just a developer who just type code and don't understand why things work
Yeah.
in the
Don't
background.
understand the architecture. Yeah.
The architecture, yes. It's important for a developer in 20 and 21 to have this thing in mind because don't actually we have Flutter Flow. Already hear about that?
What's that?
Flutter Flow.
Flutter
Flutter Flow is
flow.
like WordPress. Flow, yes,
Okay.
it's like WordPress.
Okay. Okay. No, I didn't know about
But
it.
For Flutter,
Okay. Like WordPress on
huh?
Flutter. Interesting.
For Flutter. But yes, it's true. I agree. We can just do a little thing on that. But think about um, today and 5 more years
Yes.
in the future.
Yes.
Do you think people who want to do a simple application or maybe a little complex thing, this person are going to call it filter developer to do that?
Mm.
You need to, to look at it. Il faut être avant-gardiste. Je ne suis pas en train de dire que peut-être que Flutter va mourir demain. Non. Je ne suis pas en train de
Yes.
dire ça. C'est une technologie vraiment intéressante qui est limitée. Il faut être honnête. C'est limité pour l'instant. Peut-être qu'ils vont. Mais tant qu'il y aura toujours les spécificités propres à certaines plateformes, vous ne pourrez pas. Donc, tu seras toujours obligé de te rabattre sur du natif. Et aller écrire du code natif dans Flutter, c'est encore un autre débat. Que ce soit, si vous soyez web developer, if you are web developer, you are backend developer, if you are, I don't know, even sysadmin, you
Yes. It's
need to learn about the cloud. Yes,
yes. Cloud computing is becoming very interesting these days, and especially AWS, Google Cloud, um, Microsoft Azure, and yeah, me too. I think it's a good thing. I invite everyone to check on it. Cloud, how to do how to host your application in the cloud, and how to maintain or manage or how what or the cloud architecture. I think is very important these days, and it becomes much more important for a developer to know. I think it's an added value because this is a skill where many companies now require developer to know about this cloud computing, know about the uh, cloud management skills. You know, I think yes, it's very important. I think it's very important because you can even check on the skills required by the market, and you see that DevOps is currently growing, and the cloud usage of tools like AWS. Sorry for the noise. Uses like AWS is in high demand. Um, yes, it's very important. Yeah. Yeah, I agree with you.
AWS,
I agree with you.
DevOps,
Yeah.
cloud architect.
Yes.
This profile is very difficult to find now. So if you are really smart, go and let it.
Yeah,
Seriously.
solution architect. Yeah.
It's very
Yes, it's quite
difficult to
interesting.
find kind
Mm-hmm.
of profile. But mobile developer, everybody can in gaming, tu peux dire ça comme ça. Tout le monde se dit développeur mobile, mais dans développeur mobile, là, il faut encore aller chercher maintenant et séparer parce que quand quelqu'un connaît jamais écrit deux boutons sur un écran, il pense que il connaît. Et pourtant, c'est
Yeah,
encore plus
yeah.
compliqué que ça.
Yeah, it's good. Continue taking time to learn. To learn. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Quite
So
interesting.
that's my
Quite interesting. I think those guys. I think the people watching right now would have gotten something from this interview, and I'm sure they'll have much more questions to ask. We shall invite them to do so, to continuously ask questions, in case there's something they want to know, or in case there's something they may think no, we missed out. Maybe that I missed asking Ivan. Feel free to drop in the questions in the comment section below, and I will channel your questions to the right
I'm
person.
going to be happy to do that with you again. So
Okay.
every time, every day you want.
Okay.
Um,
Okay. Thanks very much. Thanks very much. If you have any other thing to share, feel free. If you want to say something to conclude, feel free.
To conclude, what can I say? Just, do you know XXXTentacion?
What's that?
XXXTentacion is a rapper. Died today. C'est un rappeur américain. Là, il est mort très jeune.
Okay.
Ça fait peut-être 2 ans, un truc comme ça. Tu n'as jamais entendu parler de lui. C'est pas
Maybe I
grave.
know about his music, but I don't know about his name. Possibly.
Maybe about the music. So what XXXTentacion says is that if in your life you want to be a doctor,
Yes,
if you want to be a doctor, go to the school. Go and learn how to be a doctor because you need to go to school to know how to save people at the hospital. If you want to be an engineer who build buildings, okay, go in the architectural engineer school. If you say it like that, if you can say it like that in English. But if you want to be everything else, we don't require this kind of skills. Please go directly and do what you want to do. Don't mess your time with things who you eat. Yes, if you veux pas être redondant, don't waste your time with things who you are going to eat your time. Don't
That's
pas
to the point.
Life is very, very, very short. La vie est très courte. Très. Et on ne remarque pas ça. On pense qu'on a le temps. On pense qu'on a le temps et ça nous rattrape. Ça nous rattrape parce que cette année encore, j'ai perdu des amis. Et tu regardes le gars, il est là comme ça, il a quel âge? Il a 25 ans. Master en quelque chose. Truc en cela, tu vois l'enfant, quelque chose, il est mort. Il n'est plus là. Parce que oui, c'est vrai qu'il ne faut pas penser à ça. C'est vrai qu'il faut toujours être optimiste, mais il faut penser à ça en fait. C'est une épée de Damoclès qui est sur notre tête. Donc il faut être honnête. Yes, il faut être objectif. Allez directement faire ce que votre cœur vous dit de faire. Moi, c'est ça mon conseil. Ton cœur te dit que tu veux faire programmation. S'il y a moyen que tu sois programmeur sans avoir allé, parce que même jusque-là, j'ai travaillé avec les gars, même pour être honnête, j'ai travaillé avec les gars qui sont dans cette structure, tu vois le niveau, tu vois le diplôme, mais il n'est pas performant. Pour être honnête, il n'est pas performant. Je sais le nombre de personnes, mais ça, c'est la chose que j'ai vu. Même aux interviews, je suis arrivé comme ça à une interview, je vois les gars là, ils sont les masters, mais on donne un truc en Java, une activité de faire ça là. On m'a jamais demandé en master de tous mes travaux, de tous mes travaux que j'ai eu. Et j'ai même des offres même qui ne font que venir, d'autres même que je dis que carrément pas. Parce que je suis allé droit au but. Ok, je veux faire ça, ok, je fais. C'est un peu ça le truc, quoi. C'est un peu ça que je peux dire pour conclure. N'abandonnez pas. Travaillez toujours. Rapprochez-vous des aînés. Vraiment, rapprochez-vous des aînés. Ce sont eux qui peuvent vous dire ce qui est vrai et ce qui est faux. Parce que, il y a beaucoup de gars qui vendent leurs rêves ici dehors. On te raconte les choses, on te dit comment je suis, mais au final, il n'y a rien au fond. Il n'y a qu'un grand frère qui est peut-être qui a passé par là, qui peut tout conseiller. Oui. Et c'est ça, en fait. Soyez humble. Vers les aînés et travaillez. C'est tout. Qu'on ne t'influence pas que non, j'ai un master, machin. Non. Tu peux avoir un master, effectivement, comme tu peux avoir un master, mais tu n'as rien. Tu es
C'est
zéro,
vrai,
comme ils disent
c'est
souvent.
vrai. That's true. You can have a master's degree and be a very good software engineer. That's why you can have no master and still be a very, very good software engineer. Also, that's true.
I think that is the philosophy of Elon Musk, actually. The guy said when he tried to take a person, he don't care about the degree.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
and again, that is the francophone problem. Really, you have this thing on mind. I'm there to say
Mindset.
things. Yes, je suis là pour dire la vérité à tes gars, en fait. Ça, c'est la réalité. Il faut connaître, en fait, sur le terrain où tu vis pour pouvoir t'en sortir. Il faut maîtriser son environnement pour pouvoir s'en sortir. C'est ça. Pour conclure, c'est ça que je peux dire. N'abandonnez pas.
D'accord. Merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup. Je crois que c'est bien noté. I think this guy, the people watching us, have taken note of what you said, of your advice. I think, um, I think it's great. It's great.
I'm sorry for my English. I can't
No,
remember.
yeah, I think you've done much effort. I think you've done much effort. But anyway, our audience, I think, are both English and French speaking. So I think it will also be an opportunity for those who don't speak French to to listen to learn. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. From the feedback of
Yeah.
the audience, from their feedback, we'll be able to know if they got what we said or not, and maybe in the next interviews or the next videos, we'll do some adjustment to give out clearer content. So that is it. Thank you very much for accepting my invitation. It's a pleasure for me to have you today.
It's a pleasure for me, Nathan. It's for me, not for you.
And thank you. So see you. I'm sure we're gonna meet
See you
again.
soon.
See you.
Okay, no problem. Every time you want,
Okay. Thank you,
every
man.
day.
Thank you.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye bye. Next
Have a
time.
nice day. Yep.
Thank you.